Hello friends, now in this video we will discuss company specific aptitude question for permutation and combination. Okay, so this name is what this series name is what A1.1. A for aptitude, 1 is first part, that is permutation combination. Point 1 is for first part of permutation combination, like that. So we put their name. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फ्रेंड्स प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दिए, और ये वीडियो हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश दोनों में होने वाली है, ठीक है। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। जस्ट आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलिएगा फ्रेंड्स, ताकि आप सारे नोटिफिकेशन जल्दी जल्दी गेट कर सके कंपनी स्पेसिफिक के लिए, ठीक है। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन देखते हैं किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन आते हैं। सारे कंपनी स्पेसिफिक है, TCS प्लस इन्फोसिस। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So see, first question is that how many vehicle registration plate number can be formed with digits 1 to 4 5 no digit be repeated. Friend please इसको ध्यान से देखिए, कोई digit repeat नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है। If it's a given that registration number can have 1 to 5 digit, if we have 1 digit registration number, so how many possible way? There is 5 possible way. Okay, if we have 2 digit number, okay, 2 digit number have 5 cross 4, so we have 20 possibles. For 3 digit number, for 3 के लिए भी देख लेते हैं। देखिए 3 के लिए 1 2 3 then 5 then 4 then 3. When we multiply all the number we get 5 4 is 20 and 23 is 60. Then if we have 4 1 2 3 4, let's talk about 4 digit number plate. We have 5 4 3 and 2, then we have what 120, and again for 5 1 2 3 and 4 and 5, then we have for 5 digit number plate 5 4 3 2 and 1. When multiply all the numbers to each other, then we get again 120. When we total this number all, we get what? We get 325 is the answer. Okay, so let's move on next question. So see, this question is asked in Infosys. Very easy question friends. See, find a total number of 4 digit number that can be performed using the digits. So simple, 4 digit number 1 2 3 4, number of way for filling this is 4, then 3 then 2 and simply 1. When we multiply all the numbers, we get what? Answer is 24. This is our answer. Let's move on next question. Next question is that how many positive integer less than 600? Less than 600. Okay, please note down this condition, less than 600. Okay, let's suppose we are right 600 less than not equal to, okay, can be performed using 1 2 3 and 6. 1 2 3 and 6 we have number, and for each it's a digit which each digit behind use only. So every digit is used only once. Okay, all digit are used only once. ठीक है, आपको सारे डिजिट को केवल एक ही बार आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, सारे डिजिट्स को, ठीक है। तो हमारे पास है 1 2 3 and 6. नाउ वी हैव व्हाट 4 less than 600, so we have 3 place for filling the numbers. So if we fill here 4 if less than 600, then 1 digit number, then 2 digit number, and then 3 digit number. Let's we talk about 1 digit number. 1 digit have condition what? 1 digit for possible way of is 4, so let's we have write 4. Then so here I write 4. Okay, then next for 2 digit number we have possible 4 cross 3. Okay, any digit we put, okay, any digit put in first place and any digit put in for 2 digit number. So here what 12. Then let's talk about 3 digit number. So in these we will not fill 6 here, because of if we fill 6 here, then we have like this. So this is greater than 600, so this condition is false, so we not write 6 here. Okay, so here we have number of possibles is 3, number of possibility number is 3. Let we remove 6 and we have what 3 numbers. Okay, so here also 3 and here also 2. Why here 3? Because of here we put any digit like 1 2 and 6, like 1 3 6 and any, okay, like 1 2 3, so any digit we put here. So that's why here is 3, and when we multiply all the thing, then we get answer is what 18. When we have same, then sum all the thing, then we get what 4 2 6 and 15. Sorry, 8 to 10 and 14, 34 is what answer. Okay, so our answer is what 34. Let's move on next question. Next question is that make a car number of 4 digit. First two digit is what digit will be later. First two digit are later. Okay, this is later. Later is what alphabets, and next two are number. Repeat, next two number. Okay, next two are number. Here is 2. Okay, so see हमें क्या करना है, कोई नंबर प्लेट बना जिसमें कोई अल्फाबेट होंगे दो. ये क्या है, अल्फाबेट है. ठीक है, और दिस इज न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू. दिस टू आर न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू. ठीक है, so see if we have total alphabets are A to Z are 26. Okay, 26. So now we have possibility 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we put here possible combination are 4, 26. Here we put any alphabet in 26. 26 में हम कोई से भी अल्फाबेट इधर रख सकते हैं. Then इधर हम 25 रख सकते हैं. Here is 25. Then here is what for number, numeric value is what 0 to 10, 0 to 9, sorry, 0 to 9. So here we place 10, sorry, here we have possibility 10. Here we place 0, 1, 2 to 9, and here 9. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. You just multiply and solve it. Moving next question. Now next question is that if a person start writing all 4 digit number, how many times has he written the digit 2? So friends, this is very we can say it's a good question for campus and tough question we can say. So see 4 digit, let's suppose we write 1, 2 and 3 and 4. There are 4 digit number. If we place 2 here, then what are the possibility for this and this number? First we take 0 to 9. Okay, we take 2, so we not take 2 here. ठीक है, हमने 2 ले लिया था, हम 2 सेकंड को 2 को नहीं ले सकते. ठीक है, और हम क्या नहीं ले सकते, हम सब साइड डिजिट ले सकते. तो इसलिए we take all the digit to 0 to 9 except 2. So possibility of filling this place is 9, this place is 4, and this also 9. Okay, so all the 3 have 9. So when we multiply 9 cross 9, then we get 729. Okay, if we have like 2 here, okay, 2 here and here 9 and sorry, here and here, then what are the possibilities for that? Here we put what 2, no, here we put not 0 and 2. यहाँ हम 0 2 को नहीं रख सकते. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, तो यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी कितनी हो जाएगी? Here is 8, we not take 2, and here is like 9, and here also 9. So when multiply 8 multiply 9 multiply 9, then we get 6, like 648. Yes, 648. Okay, if we have 2 here, 1 2 and 2 here, if we have 2 here, then what are the possibilities for that? This also have what, here we not put 0, because if we here put 0, then this number is what 3 digit number, but we talk about 4 digit number. Okay, so let's we have put here 0 not 2 not. So here possibilities are 8, and here possibilities are 9, and here also 9. When we multiply all the thing, we get 648. Then last is what, like a 2, and here is also 2. Last in last 2, then we have what, here also 8, then 9 and 9. So when we multiply all, we get what, we get 648. One time we get 729, and all the 3 times we get 648. So मैं यहाँ पे आपको लिख के बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम लिख लेते हैं possibilities. So these are telling about 1 2. Let's we talk about when we have 2 2. Okay, when we have 2 2. Let's suppose 1 3 and 4 and 4. Okay, so see if we if write 2 here and 2 here, okay, we constant 2 here and 2 here. Now what are the possible ways to fill these 2 place? So possible ways are here 9 and here also 9. We put 9 and 9 because of we not put 0, sorry, we put here 0 to 9 except 2. So here possible way are 9 cross 9. So we write here is 81. Okay, now we move 2 to like 1 2 3 and 4. If we put 2 here, 2 here and here. So what are the possible way? Here we not put 0 and 2. Okay, 0 2 हम यहाँ पुट नहीं कर सकते, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे भरने के तरीके हमारे पास 8 और यहाँ पे 9. तो when we multiply both the, then we get what? 72. Then again next condition is that 1 2 3 and 4 we put here 2 and here 2. Then here is also 8, then here 9, then we multiply, then we get 72. Okay, if we have now we change the condition. See, if we have 1 2 3 and 4, then 4 and we put 2 here and 2 here. Okay, 2 here and 2 here. There also, and now in this we put 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. Here we put 0 and 9 also. Okay, so now this condition have also 0 to 9. Okay, we not except 2. Okay, only except 2. Here we put 0 to 9 except 2. Here we put 0 also. Okay, so here is condition is 9 and here is also 9. So 9 cross 9 is 81. Okay, so we just simply like that I write here. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ सारे इस टाइप के conditions को. ठीक है, so see I write here. So why we multiply 2 here? I tell you why multiply 2 here, because of 2 2 appear. Okay, when we write 2 2 then dash dash, so here is 2 appear, so every we count 2. Okay, we count what? 2. So this question is what? Only 4 digit, not for 1 digit, not for 2 digit. It's count from 1000 to 4 बार 9, सॉरी 4 बार 9. हमें इन सबके बीच में 2 को फाइंड करना था. इन सबके बीच में 2 कितनी बार आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन था फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब देखते हैं कि थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन था. हमने ये 2 स्टेप को कंप्लीट कर लिया है. ठीक है, अब हम बात करेंगे 3 बार अगर 2 आता है. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट इफ 2 आर कमिंग इन 3 टाइम. ओके, so if 2 are here 1 2 and 3, then what are the possibility for this place? This place possibility is 9. If we put here 2, if we put here 2, here 3 place are 2. If this is what we can say space, so here we not put 0 and 2, because of if we put 0 there, then this digit are called as 3 digit number. So here we not put 0, so that's why this place, this is have 8 possible way to fill this place. And again if we take 2 here and like 2 here and like 2 here, so this also have 9. So like that we write all the possible ways. Okay, here see these are the number of 2's when we use. So these are the way to, okay, see why we have multiply 3, because of 2 2. Oh sorry, 3 2. Okay, so that's why multiply 3. Let's we talk about 4 4. If we take 4, let's suppose if we take 4 2, so this is only one condition where all are 2. We not arrange these 2's to each other. Okay, so one condition only is what? 2 2. So how many 2's are there? There are 4 2's. So when we calculate all the whatever we have right, we just simply 2 6, like 2 6 7 3 7 3 plus 918 918 plus 105 and plus 4, so light 4. Then total answer is what? Yes, so like see total answer is what? 3700. Okay, so total answer is what? 3700 is our correct answer. When we calculate this, when we sum all digits, add up this, so our correct answer is what? 3700. Let's move on next question. Now what question says, in how many different way is the word mobile is arranged so that at least 2 consonant come together? At least फ्रेंड, अकॉर्डिंग टू एटलीस्ट कम से कम 2 आना चाहिए. 2 भी आ सकते हैं या 3 भी आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे हम पहले बात करेंगे 2 की. ठीक है, लेट्स वी हैव मोबाइल. ओके, MO लाइट MOBILE. Okay, we have mobile. Now consonant are M. Okay, now consonant are M, B and L. Let me write here M, B and L. These are our consonant, and vowels are OIL, OIE, OI and E. So these are our vowels and these are constant. Okay, so how is it to solve? Let's suppose arrange so that at least two consonant come together. Come together means लाइक एक पैकेज, एक उसको हम एक साथ लिखेंगे, ठीक है, जो भी हमारे पास लिखा हुआ है कॉन्सोनेंट। एटलीस्ट 2 बोल रहा है तो हमें सबसे पहले 2 कॉन्सोनेंट लेने। लेट सपोज वी टेक ML, okay, 1 consonant here, and other are 1 2 3, okay, 4 plays are there because of mobile is what 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, so 6 here is what 4 plays and 2 is, so now these are arranged in 4 factorial, okay, and these are arranged also in 2 factorial, so total answer is what, so total answer is for that is 4 का factorial for like 24 होता है, sorry 5, here is 5 factorial, sorry 5 factorial, because of we arrange all the this, we arrange this, okay, हम इस पूरे को अरेंज करेंगे, ठीक है, इस पूरे को अरेंज करने के फैक्टोरियल इसको हम पूरा एक पार्ट मानेंगे, ठीक है, ML को मैंने क्या माना, एक पार्ट माना, ML को मैंने एक पार्ट माना, ठीक है, एक पार्ट ये मेरा, बाकी 4 पार्ट अलग हो आएंगे मेरे, ठीक है, इन चारों को पार्ट करने पे मेरे पास 120 आएगा, ठीक है, 120 मतलब 5 फैक्टोरियल, ठीक है, और प्लस ये दोनों भी तो आपस में अरेंज होंगे, तो इन दोनों को आपस अरेंज करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई 2 फैक्टोरियल, सो आंसर इज व्हाट 240, okay, so answer is what 240, okay, if we have ML, now we take like LV, okay, we take LV, okay, so we take LV in one box, then we have 4 possible 1 2 3 and 4, then again this is for what 240, okay, and again we have 240, why again 240, because of we take M and V, if we take M and V as a packet, then we have 1 2 3 and 4, when we solve this, so 5 factorial, okay, for this all, and 2 factorial for MB, okay, and 2 factorial for MB, so let's suppose 2 factorial, so total are 240, okay, so these are at least 2 condition, we solve at least 2 condition in this way. Now let's we move on, at least if we have third, all the 3 consonant are in 1 packet, if we have M L and B in like 1 packet, हमने इन सबको एक साथ ले लिया और हम लेने वाले 3 को 1 2 and 3, okay, so now this means this is what 4 factorial, because of 1 2 3 4 digit, MLB is what count 1 digit, so this is 4 factorial, and plus 3 factorial, why 3 factorial, because this also arranged to each other, okay, these values MLB is also arranged to each other, so that's why we have 4 factorial to 3 factorial, 4 factorial means 24 and 3 factorial means 6, so 6 4 is 24, okay, let's suppose yes 6 4 is 24, then 6 2 is 12, and then 144, when we have sum all the things, when we have sum all 144, yes, when we have solved all, then we get 4 and 4 for what 16, and then 1 sorry yes, and 1 1 2, and this is what 840, sorry 864 is our correct answer. Now let's we move on next question. So this is the last question of the video, okay, so this asked in TCS, this is also very easy question. How to solve this question? See, consider the set of integer 1000 to 419 मतलब 9999, how many integer in these set do not contain the digit 7, तो 7 नहीं आना चाहिए फ्रेंड्स, बाकी सब कुछ आ सकता है फ्रेंड्स। कितने की बात हो रही है? 4 की, 1 2 3 एंड 4। सबसे इजी में मैं आपको बताता हूँ इसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है। आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, 1000 है, यहाँ पे 1 ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पे केवल 7 नहीं ले सकते, ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम 0 से 9 ले सकते हैं, ठीक है, वी टेक 0 to 9 बट एक्सेप्ट 7। सो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल वे टू फिल दिस प्लेस इज 9, okay, this for this place, so repetition is allowed or not allowed? Yes, allowed, okay, so repetition is allowed like 1 0 0 0, so repetition are allowed, so that's why we take 9, okay. Now for next place is also 9. Why 9? Because of we not take just 7, okay, so that's why I put here 9, then here is also 9, okay, and sorry, here is not, we just take here 10 ones place. See, in 1000 place we not put here 7, okay, here not put 0 and 7, so that's why here possibility is 8, okay, here is sorry by mistake, so here is what 8, so 0 and 7 not place here, that's why here 8, बाकी सब जगह हम 9 भर सकते हैं क्योंकि repetition is allowed, okay, repetition are allowed, repetition is allowed, so that's why here we have multiplied this thing. Correct answer is what, this 5832 दिस आवर करेक्ट आंसर। ओके सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हमने ये परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन कवर कर लिया। इसका मैं एक पार्ट और लेके आऊँगा, उसमें हम और ज़्यादा हाई लेवल के थोड़े और अच्छे क्वेश्चंस की बात करेंगे। ठीक है, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस फ्रेंड्स। और अगर आप चाहते हैं इस पेड कोर्स को करना तो आप इस कोर्स को भी आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, ऑफर केवल 31 सितंबर तक का है। ओके सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू, और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। ओके थैंक यू।